guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
So please, I just want you to listen to C2 before I digress a little bit about that woman and that woman called Mabel, the shameless woman.
Daddy, I was busy working on this. Because you have been using my music for your content. Hello, Daddy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and I don't know when you will come across this voice note, but I'm sending this to you with hope and belief that it will surely get to you. Sir, I never wanted to talk about this, and I never wanted to bring anything out to social media because I know the country we live in. I know a lot of people are good at judging people wrongly without even hearing from the other person. Daddy, I respect you and I respect mommy, your wife, mommy Mabel.
My number is on the caption of this video.
I also respect and cherish every member of your family, the family. I love Michelle, I love Damian, I love Valerie, I love Monachi, I love Dacia. I have equal respect and love for everybody. Insulting people is not part of my life. Daddy, I so much appreciate your good gestures, all the love, the support from you and your entire family members. But sir, there is one thing I don't appreciate anymore. Your wife coming out to insult me. Mommy Mabel insulting me, calling me names a few days ago is something I never expected from her. Simply because I did a song for you. This same mommy that is insulting me is the same person I have been doing songs for. I still remember even during the days of our saga with some people, during the days of our saga with this mommy Vera and all the rest of them. I, Mr. C2, I was there. I feared nobody. I respect everybody, but I fear nobody. I did a lot of songs. I stood by her, I stood by you, I stood by every member of your family. Musically, I played my own parts. I did a lot of songs. But why is it now different that I did a song for you? Your wife is not coming after me. Why is she coming to insult me? Why is she molesting me, abusing me? Using the help she rendered to me some years ago now to mock me. Yes, I remember very well, sir. Some years ago, in the case of my child, David, I know some people might have forgotten about this. But I have to say it. Some years ago, when my boy was still battling, struggling to overcome the challenges of life, David, who was sick of kidney problem, I cried out to you and your family. You assisted me. You and your family. You came online on Facebook. You came out live. You talked to your fans. You told the world about me. You told your followers about me, about my sick child, David. And they were able to donate money. God used a lot of people. They were able to raise the total sum of 360,000 naira. I repeat, 360,000 naira was the total amount of money that was donated from your platform, from KO Family Program. I appreciated that money so much. That money was carefully spent at Abuja Teaching Hospital in Gwagwalada and Kefi, Federal Medical Center, Kefi. These are the two hospitals where they take care of David, my boy, my little boy. And to the glory of God Almighty, David is still alive. I appreciate the contribution. I prayed for God to bless everybody, all the hands that contributed, that raised that 360K to save the life of my child. So since then, I've been good to your family and your family have been good to me. Even before the donation, your family, KO family, have been using my own music, my song, Live in Abroad. I spent a lot of money to produce that song. I composed the music myself. Live in Abroad was composed by me. It was also produced by me in my studio at Al Quds Industrial Area 2, Dubai. I shot the video of Live in Abroad at Diera in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, in the year 2018. Your family have been using my music. A friend of mine called me from another country and told me that there is this family called KO family that has been using my music for their videos, doing a lot of content with my songs. Did I give them permission? Normally, you're supposed to contact me as a musician. You are supposed to call me first to get legal permission from me before using my music for your content or for any reason. But when I contacted you people, everything went through, everything was peaceful and friendly. I asked you one question. Did you contact me before using my songs? You and mommy, I still remember, you told me then that you are sorry. You know it's wrong to use somebody's music without seeking permission, legal permission from the musician. Can you go on and use the song of Davido? Can you go on and use the song of P-Square? Can you use the song of Timaya or the song of Pato Rankin? Or even the song of Portable? Can you take Portable's music and make content with the music without getting legal permission from him? Without getting copyright permission from the rightful owner of the song? But in my own case, everything was cool and good. I never troubled you. I never said any harsh word or any hate word. I was very cool. See, I respected you. I respected your wife. I respected every member of your family. And I love you guys. I continue doing songs for you people. I remember the first money you gave to me after you have been using my music for a lot of time. You've made a lot of contents with my own music, my hard-earned music, my own sweat, my talents, which you're supposed to pay me heavily for. You sent me 20,000 naira. 20K was the money you sent to me 3 years ago. The first money you sent to me when I contacted you people, asking you questions about using my music. I appreciated that 20K. As a good guy, I never said anything about it. I never complained. I did not take you to court. I did not sue you. Getting legal permission from me. Daddy, remember, if you and mommy will be honest enough with me and to God Almighty, we came up with the idea of you signing me into your record label because you know very well that you people have violated my human rights. You have violated the law of entertainment all over the world because you don't have any right to use music that is not yours for movie. You don't have any right to reproduce or use music from another musician to shoot a film or to edit a video or to create your own content, enriching yourself, making money for yourself and your family alone without getting legal permission, copyright permission from the owner of that music. Because of this, you people came up, we agreed. So, okay, let's go into record D. In order to compensate me, I was still a cool-headed guy. I was still a humble guy. But all of a sudden, the same KO family sent me to Edo State, to Benin. I went to Edo State, I traveled, I paid my flights myself from Abuja to Benin City. I met your lawyer at one place called NTA Road, close to NTA television station. I still have the phone number of your barrister. I still have the details here with me. I went to your lawyer or your barrister. I was given the record label agreement, the contract document, which I signed my own copy of that contract. Remember, I signed my own record deal. You people signed me into your record label, KO Family Record Label, as your music artist. With all the agreements of a record label, the things you people are supposed to do in my life as your artist, to promote me, to sponsor me, to shoot more videos, produce more music, or produce more songs, with agreement of 50-50, as you stated in the contract which I signed some years ago. After signing this contract, Daddy, how many of my songs did you people promote? How many of my music did KO family promote? You sent money for me to shoot 2 videos. That was the only videos you sponsored. I shot the video of No Underrate. I repeat, you gave me money to shoot 2 videos. I shot the video of No Underrate. And I also shot the video of All for Money. Everything took about 800K, about 800,000 naira. After shooting this video, Daddy, if you will also remember, you and Mommy, if KO family will remember, you bought a camera for me, a video camera, black magic camera, which you said you want to employ somebody who will be taking the camera along with me as a celebrity, part of celebrity life, part of the packaging in music entertainment industry. That you need a personal cameraman who will follow me with this camera. I said no initially, if you will remember. But you people insisted. You bought that camera, 600,000 naira. 600,000 naira. You bought the camera for me. I took that camera back to Abuja after the production of the 2 videos you sponsored. That camera only stayed in my house for 2 weeks. You and Mommy Mabel, both of you people, KO family called me. You said you want to use that camera. You want to shoot a video in Edo State, that I should please go and waybill the camera. Or, I think, yes, in Akwa Ibom. Sorry, you said in Akwa Ibom that the camera will later move to Edo State. I should send the camera to somebody. Quick, you gave me the person's phone number and address. I went to ABC Transport in Abuja. I sent the camera to the person as you requested. You collected back the camera you bought for me, the Black Magic 4K pocket cinema camera. You collected it back. KO family took the camera back from me. Since then, you decided that you will be giving me some amount of money as weekly or monthly allowance, that I should continue producing songs for you people as your artist, which I accepted. I never complained. I never cried out to anybody. I have been producing songs for you. So far, I have recorded over 60 to 70 songs. I have recorded over 60 to 70 songs for KO family. During the days of your saga with people, I recorded over 20 songs. The ones you will call me late at night, sometimes 1 a.m. when I should be in bed sleeping. You will call me. Your call will wake me up. You people will beg me, Mr. C2, please, can you go to the studio and produce a song? This is why we need a song. This is what we want you to sing. I'll jump into the studio. As a talented artist, God made it possible. I'm not bragging. I will produce the song. After producing the song, I'll send the song back to you people. You have been using my songs. You have been using my music, creating your content, making your money out of it. I never complained. How much were you giving me? Sometimes you give me 30K. At times you give me 20K. To a point, you started giving me 50,000 naira. When you decided that you want to place me on monthly salary, I accepted. You people, KO family, started paying me 50K per month. Inside the 1 month, sometimes I will produce more than 10 songs for KO family. At the end of the month, I'll be the one to compose the music. I'll be the one to create the beat. I'll be the one to record, mix and master the song in my own studio, taking all responsibility. At the end of 1 month, you will pay me 50K. I did all these things out of love. Suddenly, you people came up one day and said, Mr. C2, we don't want to continue the record label for now. We have a lot of projects with us. That you want to give me 500K, 500,000 naira. You gave me this money 2 years ago, that I should just take the money and look for something to do. That when things get better in your family, or when things get better with you people, that you will continue the record deal. Our legal agreement was still signed till today. I never cancelled my own part of that deal. All the agreement was with you and your barrister in Benin. Remember, this is a breach of contract. If I'm a bad person, if I should come up to make case with you people, legally, you will pay me heavily. You will pay me heavily for wasting my time, for depriving me of other record labels that you are interested in me, for making me believe that you have signed me into your record label, and for using my music, using my time, using my song, my career. At the end of the day, You dumped me for no good reason. At the end of the day, KO family, you people, you used me. You wasted my time. Daddy Sifo, I'm not happy about this. I'm saying this to you because I have your contact. Because if I send this voice note to your wife, Mommy Mabel, I know she will not talk about it. Maybe she will block me, or if she have even blocked me, I don't know. I'm just saying this to express how sad I am now, to express my feelings. Because I did a song for you some days ago, your wife now started insulting me, started telling me how useless I am, insulting me, calling me all sorts of names, insulting my family. She have done this some years ago. I forgive her because of the love I still have for you people and the respect I have for you people. But Daddy, simply because of the song I did for you some days ago, your wife decided to remind me of my past. Now she's asking me if I'm sad, or trying to ask me if I have anything to say. Daddy, I have a lot of things to say. If I decide to give details, if I should start talking, I think 10 tracks of music will not contain what I want to say. But I just want to leave this here. I want the world to know, to hear from me too. Before you condemn somebody, before you judge, make sure you hear from left and right. Don't judge from only one person's mouth. I have been used, or I was used and dumped by KO family. Which musician will be producing beats, compose music, produce the music, do everything for you, all in the name that you want to sponsor him or you want to sponsor her as record label. At the end of the day, without any trouble, without any quarrel, you dump the artist and you expect the artist to be happy. You did all these things to me, yet I never complained to anybody. You did all these things to me, yet I still love you guys. I still respect you people. Okay, it's okay, Daddy. Maybe I'll continue some other time, sir. And Daddy, because of this, I just want to tell you this. I don't want to do things that tomorrow people will say Mr. C2 is a troublesome person or Mr. C2 is wicked. Sir, I'm begging you, I'm begging KO family, stop using my music in your platforms from today.
He plus me? Hey, stop
using my...
Hey, C2, stop that. Stop that. What are you saying? You will say you beg Mabel. Not be, okay, KO family and you beg. Not be a Igbo, not be Melia. Please. How will you say I should stop using it? He's talking to Mabel, not me. Oh.
KO family should stop using my music. Family, yeah. Any video you use my music for will attract legal action, because I know my own rights. I know my part of the deal. I signed a record deal with you, and the record deal is still active till today. You dumped me for no good reason. You gave me only 500,000 naira, and you have been using my music. My music has generated over 100 million naira. Over 100 million naira. This is what you have received, what you have gotten so far from Facebook, because you always give me details. Some months, Mommy Mabel and you, Daddy, you people always tell me some months you get over 12,000 euros. Some months, when you get nothing, you get 5,000 to 6,000 euros. And the musician who is behind all the songs, all the good songs, all the saga music, all the soundtrack you have been using, how much are you giving to me? One thing you should understand is in this life, it's not good to use somebody. When you are using somebody's sweat to enrich yourself, it's not good. That is one act of wickedness. You have been doing this to me. I never complained. I still believe that as time goes on, God will link me to a better and higher opportunity. But all these things I've done for you people. Let's compare left and right. KO family should pay me better. KO family should pay me heavily. KO family should do more for me than coming to insult me, than Mommy Mabel coming out to insult me, calling me a foolish man, calling me a useless man, telling me that I was repatriated, that I was deported from Dubai, that I was deported from abroad. You don't know my story. Don't insult people from distance. Always try to go closer. Always make yourself closer to the person to get more details before you insult somebody. Because you assisted me in the life of my sick boy, David Chinemrem Justus, now gave you the full right to insult me, to talk down on me, to take me for granted. Mommy, why? What did I do to you? All the things you have told me, all the things, even when you call me at midnight, crying out to me as a brother, as a son, or as a friend, I never for one day revealed your secrets to anybody. All the things you have asked me to do, I don't want to talk much. I don't want to go further. If I open my mouth to talk, is it up? I don't want to talk. But mommy, you know the things. If I should start...
Wait. Mabel need to be exposed. Me, they say, waiting one spoil soup. No mind, me they throw away the soup. Me, I'm not exempted though. No. In all this allegation or in all this facts Mr. C2 is talking about, I am part and parcel of it. How am I part and parcel of it? Because Mabel is in charge. I will force C2 to expose what Mabel intention concerning Ugo Iglet and Jenny Sleazy. Yes. And when I want to do that video, I am going to call Jenny Sleazy, I'm going to call Ugo Iglet, and tell them to be on that live broadcast so that they will know the devil when Jezebel, when they call Jezebel be. You know, most people don't really know her. Most people, when they not really know her, they look at her as if she is a saint. Let me just finish this one before I go into Valerie's issue and that useless or woman when he come that place there.
I gave you the full right to insult me, to talk down on me, to take me for granted. Mommy, why? What did I do to you? All the things you have told me, all the things, even when you call me at midnight, crying out to me as a brother, as a son, or as a friend, I never for one day revealed your secrets to anybody. All the things you have asked me to do, I don't want to talk much. I don't want to go further. If I open my mouth to talk, is it up? I don't want to talk. But mommy, you know the things. If I should start saying things, daddy, you yourself, you know.
I know.
Some of the things you people have asked me to do, I decide to keep everything secret.
See too. Me, a man that is already done is not afraid of the ground, of the ground. You understand? Me, C2, this issue, I be part and parcel of it. Come and disgrace me and Mabel. Yes. Now Mabel bring the idea, but what thing I go do? Boy must always support madam. I want you to come and bring out that issue when Mabel plan for Jenny Sleazy and Ugo Iglet. That video will be bombed, one after the other.
I decide to remain calm. You made the whole world, you made your followers know that you have signed Mr. C2 Crystal Beats into your record label, KO Family record label. Since then, how far? How many of my music have you promoted? How many of my songs have you paid promoters in Lagos or promoters in Europe or in Asia or in America to promote your artist? You've done nothing. You've done nothing like that. You keep using my music to make your content, create your content and make money. And you give me peanuts, yet I never complained. Yet I'll still say, mommy, thank you. I'll still say, daddy, thank you. With smile on my face, I still appreciate and pray for you people. I still wish you well. I still sing good songs for you. I still pour out my heart. I still do everything. I did all you wanted from me, but you choose to insult me. You choose to pay me with evil. You dumped me for no good reason. I leave everything in the hands of God. I leave it to the hands of God. But let the world hear me. Let the world hear from Mr. C2, the same man that sang live in abroad. Let the world hear my own part of the story before you go on condemning me. Before Madam Mabel or Mommy Mabel go around telling people how she helped my family, how she assisted my life. You never helped my family, Mommy. You never sent money to my family. My family is not that poor that you will start telling people. You don't know my story. You don't know my background. Mommy, if you meet me physically, if you meet me, if not because of the case of my child, David, which every father will do for the life, for the love, to make sure you save the life of your child. I came out, I pleaded, I cried for people to assist me because kidney problem is not something I can handle alone. Because you assisted me in the life of David, now you're using it against me. You are using it to mock me. Mommy, why? When people were fighting you, when people were against you, when people were coming after you, I stood by you. Now you call my music rubbish. Now you call me useless. Now you call me stupid. You call me all sorts of names. You called me a bastard. You called me a poor wretched man. Simply because you assisted me in the life of my son David. But you will not say the word. my good contribution in your family. You will not tell the world how many millions or billions of currency you have been getting with my music. You have been using my songs for your content. Will you use the music of Davido, Patoranke, like I mentioned earlier? Will you use the music from other people for your content without getting legal permission from them? God will judge us all.
Oh, I have emotion. What did Mr. C2 or what has he done to warrant all those kind of insults? We used somebody, now we see dump am, just because he plays song when he not even call your name. No, please guys, I just want you to listen to this song and see if actually this guy talk something when he did bad. Now this song, when this guy do so, now I make Mabel descend on them. People when they support you, I never descend on them once. Anuli, that is your PA right now. Anuli was working directly under me. I brought Anuli, the woman that looks like a man. At her age, nobody don't approach and say they want to marry her because a fellow man cannot marry a fellow man. So what has C2 done? I'm asking you, Mabel. Just listen to this song.
Hear me now say, Mr. C2 again. You said you want to help me. Say your dream not to see me blue.
That one is the one she did for her.